So now let's calculate the pH of a solution with something basic, and it does give me my Kb. So first things first I'm going to create my conjugate. So remember, it has my NH3 plus my H2O goes to NH. In this case, we know that it's going to be 4 plus OH minus. We know that you're going to end up donating your H from your H2O because we know that our NH3 is accepting that hydrogen because it is a base. So in this case, I know that my H2O isn't going to have any values in my ice chart because it's going to be a liquid. So for the rest of my ice, I know that this is 0.35. We know that my NH4 is 0.23, and it tells me there's no OH minus. So if I ice this is my initial. My change, I know that I have 0 OH minus. So if I have 0 products, I'm going to have to shift towards my products. So plus X minus X. So my overall equations are as follows. And X. So in this case, I know that my Kb equation, remember, it's our products over reactants. So NH4 plus OH minus over NH3. So in this case, when I plug in all of my math that I put down here, I've got my 0.23 plus X times X, and then my 0.35 minus X. I know that we're going to pretend like these X's are negligible. We're just going to assume that they don't exist. Same as before that we did with our acids, but with our bases. So this is going to be our equation. We know that it gives us our Kb. So I'm setting this equal to 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. My X value then, if I multiply by my 0.035 and I divide by my 0.23 to get to the X by itself, I know that X is 2.7 times 10 to the negative 5. That value is equal to my OH minus. So I know POH is equal to negative log of my OH. In this case, I'm going to negative log my 2.7 times 10 to the negative 5th. I know that my POH is 4.56, but I know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. So in this case, I know that my pH is going to be 14 minus 4.56 is equal to 9.44. Now, if you were given a Ka, we know that we have our equation of Kw is equal to Ka times Kb. So you could also solve that, but just make sure that you're matching up whatever kind of solution you're using with whatever equilibrium constant you need to plug in for those values. You want them to match.